Exercise 24. Median from data. The table below shows the daily high temperatures in Fahrenheit for each month from January through September. So we have on January a temperature of 52 degrees, on February 48, March 58, and so on. Which month had the median temperature? So remember that the median is the number which is placed exactly in the middle of the dataset. Now, in most cases in SAT, I keep saying that we are being trolled. Why is that? Because in most cases the values are not in order, which is something that the medians process demands. Okay, we need to put numbers in order. So from the smallest to the biggest, let me write them. We would get 48, then the next would have been 52, then the next would have been 58, and we have it twice, 58 and 58. Then we would go to 60, then to 2 times 62, 62 and 62, then 65, and finally 68. Once we have our values in order, we should begin by crossing out the smallest vs the biggest, smallest, biggest, smallest, biggest, smallest, biggest. If we have one remaining in the end, that should be the median. So right now the median is 60, which is related to September, and the right answer would have been D. But hold on. Is this the only way I could do that? Because I know that some of you are puzzled by this process. No, luckily, in the SAT exams, we are allowed to use Desmos. So let me go to Desmos. So I'm gonna go here to Desmos, and let me split the screen so that we can see everything. I need to find median of certain values. So I'll go here, I'll write median, and I'll open up a bracket, and then one by one I will insert these values: 52, 48, 58, 62, 58 again, 65, then 68, then 62, and then 60. So the median right directly is equal to 60, which again relates to the month of September. So you have median or the same as mean or standard deviation. The easiest way for you to work would be through Desmos. And in Desmos, don't forget that we do not need to put the values in order. That was all. If you liked it, please share this channel to your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.